Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and electronics. Today, we're diving into what many are calling the best USB Type-B charger on the market. If you're in the market for a reliable and efficient charger, you're in the right place. Let's jump right into it. This USB Type-B charger has been making waves lately, and for good reason. It's packed with features that cater to both casual users and tech enthusiasts alike. From its sleek design to its robust performance, there's a lot to unpack here. First off, let's talk about the design. This charger not only looks great but feels durable too. The materials used are high quality, ensuring longevity without compromising on aesthetics. Whether you're using it at home or on the go, it's built to withstand daily wear and tear. Now, onto what matters most, performance. This charger delivers a consistent and efficient charge every time you plug it in. It's designed to optimize charging speed while protecting your devices from overcharging and overheating. For those who value reliability, this product ticks all the right boxes. One of the standout features of this charger is its compatibility. It works seamlessly with a wide range of devices, from smartphones to tablets and even some laptops. Whether you're Team Android or Team Apple, this charger has you covered. What sets this USB Type-B charger apart from the competition? Well, aside from its performance and build quality, it's also incredibly user-friendly. The plug-and-play design means you can start charging your devices without any hassle. Plus, it's compact enough to fit into your bag or pocket, making it ideal for travel. So, should you consider investing in this USB Type-B charger? Absolutely. It combines sleek design, robust performance, and wide compatibility, all at a competitive price point. Whether you're upgrading your current setup or looking for a reliable backup charger, this product delivers on all fronts. That wraps up our review of the best USB Type-B charger available right now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.